Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TP-Link, Deco, Ethernet, Backhaul step by step. So if you want faster speed, lower latency and a more stable mesh connection between your Deco units, using Ethernet Backhaul is one of the best upgrades that you can make to your home Wi-Fi system. Now, normally Deco unit communicate wirelessly with each other. With the Ethernet backhaul, the Deco units use the Ethernet cables instead of Wi-Fi to transfer the data between the nodes. So first of all, you need to make sure that your main Deco unit is already connected to the modem and fully working through the Deco application. The primary Deco should show the status as online before connecting the additional Deco units through the Ethernet. Now you just have to simply run an Ethernet cable from the main Deco or the network switch to the secondary Deco unit. On most of the Deco models, you can use either the Ethernet port because the ports auto detect the WAN and the LAN connections automatically. So once connected, power on the secondary Deco and wait for a few minutes. The Deco system should automatically detect the wired backhaul connection without needing any extra settings. After doing so, you just have to simply open the TP Deco application on your phone. Then you just have to simply select your second Deco unit. Now, if Ethernet backhaul is active, the connection type should show as Ethernet or wired connection instead of the wireless signals. So this confirms the Deco units are communicating through the Ethernet cable properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.